jackass. Okay, ready?
All right, we're rolling.
I'm Peter Griffin, and this is Shopping Cart Roof Shopping Cart, guys. Okay, go. Ow, ow, ow. Oh my God.
Oh my God, are you okay?
I don't know. What does it look like? What do I do? What is that? What is that? I feel something.
It's your spine, dude. It got like yanked up a bunch of notches.
I'm scared.
Oh God!
Does this get fixed with ice or heat?
Ice now, heat later.
I'm Glenn Quagmire, and this is Bee Bush.
All right, what did you do to yourself, Quagmire?
Well, I just covered my entire private area with honey. Now we're just waiting for the bees. Giggity.
All right, here they come.
Okay, they're on there. It's just nobody move. All right, nobody do nothing. Just don't wanna make them mad. Stop it! Knock it off!
Yeah, we wouldn't want the bees to get mad. I hate you bees! I hate you bees!
Oh,
I hate you bees!
stop
I
it,
hate
knock
you
it off,
bees!
knock it
I hate
off.
you
No,
bees!
seriously,
I hate you
stop,
bees!
stop,
I hate you
stop.
bees!
All right, that's enough. That's enough. Just get them off. Get them off. Put them back in the hive.
Yeah, all right, enough is enough. Cleveland, open the hive.
All right, Quagmire, bring them over here.
Oh my!
What the? Why would you do that?
Hey, you guys, Lois says it's time for dinner.